From Hunkydory Marvellous Mirri Pads are cardstock pads with a beautiful mirror finish. And you can see that just on the cover in lots of colors and 3 really fun patterns. So let's go through these one at a time. And each pad is 8 inches by 8 inches, and it has 24 sheets in this pad. You're going to get 2 of each color. And this one is Sensational Spots is what it's called. Is that right? Sensational Spots. It is. That's pretty cute. And it comes with this great mirror finish. So that's mirror. It's a mirror-like finish, but they've printed it with this great design. So you're going to get 2 of each. In this design, you're getting this dark blue, this beautiful purple, a dark teal, and you can use these on cards, you can use them in little bits, you can use them in large pieces, and all of these fun colors. And that's a nice bright pink. You can even get it in black. So these are going to combine together within the pad very well, but they're also going to mix and match back and forth between the other pads as well. Now, as I go through, you're absolutely going to get 2 of each, but some of these you're only seeing 1 of because we've been using them to make cards, and I'm going to show you an example of that one. So let's look at an example with Sensational Spots. Look at that, using 2 of those colors, a really beautiful look. It's just such a great mirror finish. And this is putting paper towel on top, so foil paper towel has been stacked on there. You just add some dazzles and you have a gorgeous card, really simple. So next we'll look at colorful clouds. So again, the mirror finish, 24 sheets, 2 of each, so you're going to get 12 different colors, 2 of each, in a beautiful green. You're getting greens, and let's see, and then, oh, okay, so like a darker green and a lighter green. You're getting this gorgeous purple. You're getting a reddish color. So this is a black or gray. I'm just trying to, these are really nice and heavyweight, by the way. They're just real super heavyweight. Good paper, good cardstock, more gray, and it's like a lighter gray. So there's a beautiful blue and golds and a darker blue. So all of these different colors, that purple and blue. And let me show you what you can make with that. So I took some of those and I created rays of a sun coming out, and I used one of our templates from that, our sunburst template, to create that card. Got a nice big sun up in the corner there, and just add some dazzles on top. Hooray for today. It's such a beautiful look. It's like the clouds are right in there, so that's a really beautiful pattern. The last one is gorgeous gingham. Again, 24 sheets in each pad. They're 8 inches by 8 inches, and as we get into it, you're going to see the colors, greens and purples and a nice light blue. So you've got some pastel looks, pastel mirror looks with these lighter colors, but you've also got some darker colors in there. Oh, those are great. The greens, the grays, and then you've got some darker blues here. That's a kind of a navy. And there are 2 of those. Let me turn that. There we go. We've got a beautiful orange. We've got kind of a lilac color, this beautiful teal, this light pink. And like I said, we've been using them, so they're sort of falling out of the little pad here. And here's this gorgeous pinkish red on there. It's just beautiful. Using it in a banner shape up at the top. So just 1 piece on that card, that's all that was needed. Oh, and there's a little bit of blue peeking out here too. So you can use it in little strips. It's going to go a long way. It's going to make some beautiful cards. Those are Hunkydory, and those are Marvellous Mirri Pads.